Welcome or welcome back to UTech Exam Prep, and for today's video we're going to be doing this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. Okay, so here's the scenario here. A company has a corporate website running on a content management system, but maintaining and patching it has become a burden. The company wants to redesign the website, which will be updated only 4 times a year. It does not need dynamic content, must be highly scalable and secure with the least operational overhead. Now the correct answers for this question is A and D, but let's see why. Let's first jump to option B, which suggests using AWS WAF to secure the website. The problem is that while the WAF or the Web Application Firewall is a good security tool, CloudFront already integrates with WAF and adds more benefits like caching and DDoS protection. So it is just not the best option here. Option C, on the other hand, proposes using AWS Lambda to manage and serve website content. The problem with this one is that it is unnecessary for a static website. Lambda is ideal for event-driven, dynamic complications, not simple static file hosting. And for option E, it recommends deploying the website using an auto-scaling group of EC2 instances behind an application load balancer. The problem here is that this is overkill for a static website, kind of similar with option C. It adds unnecessary operational overhead and costs compared to S3 hosting. Now let's go to A and D and look at why they are the best. Option A uses Amazon CloudFront for enhanced security and HTTPS functionality, and option D hosts the static website on S3 for scalability and minimal maintenance. Therefore, this solution is the most cost-effective, highly scalable, and provides robust security with minimal effort. And that is it for this question. Thank you for watching, and of course, subscribe for more.